Did you find my keys? Yes, they're on the table. Did it rain last night? Yes, it rained very heavily. Did they finish their homework? No, they're still doing it. Did the cat eat the fish? Yes, it ate everything quickly. Did you clean the room? Yes, I cleaned it yesterday. Did he call you today? No, I have not heard yet. Did she bake the cake? Yes, she made it this morning. Did they enjoy the movie? Yes, they loved it a lot. Did the dog bark again? Yes, it barked at the mailman. Did you bring your umbrella? No, I forgot it at home. Did you water the plants? Yes, I did it this morning. Did they cancel the meeting? No, it's still happening tomorrow. Did he break the window? Yes, by accident with a ball. Did she lose her wallet? No, she found it under a chair. Did it snow last winter? Yes, it snowed for 3 days. Did you buy the tickets? Yes, I got them online. Did they arrive on time? No, they came 10 minutes late. Did the power go out? Yes, for 2 hours yesterday. Did he bring his laptop? No, he forgot it at work. Did you hear that noise? Yes, it came from the attic. Did she paint her house? Yes, she painted it green. Did they fix the car? Yes, it's running fine now. Did you see the news? Yes, I watched it at noon. Did it taste good? Yes, it tasted really delicious. Did the kids play outside? Yes, they played for 2 hours. Did he write the letter? No, he wrote an email instead. Did she finish the book? Yes, she read it last night. Did you close the door? Yes, I locked it securely. Did they take the bus? No, they walked to the park. Did it feel cold today? Yes, it was very chilly outside. Did you feed the cat? Yes, I fed it this morning. Did they sell their house? No, they're still deciding. Did he catch the train? Yes, just in time too. Did she buy the dress? Yes, she got it on sale. Did it stop raining? Yes, it stopped an hour ago. Did you try the soup? Yes, it was hot and spicy. Did they visit their grandparents? Yes, they went there yesterday. Did he play the piano? Yes, she played it beautifully. Did she win the game? No, but she tried hard. Did you enjoy the trip? Yes, it was so much fun.